Hello everyone, I am Shirley and welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time to watch our videos and if you are interested in learning English grammar or improving your English skills, then make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates and grammar lessons. So today, we are going to study the phrases there is and there are in the simple present. So we use there is to say that something exists somewhere or in a particular place. And if more than one thing exists, then we say there are. In this video, you will also see examples of there is and there are in the positive, negative, and question. So let's start with there is. So we use there is when the noun is singular. So we have here there is plus singular noun. Now let's have some examples in the positive. There is a dog in the garden. So our noun here is a dog. It means one dog. A dog exists. A dog exists in the garden. Okay, now let's have the second example. There is milk in the fridge. So our noun here is milk. Dog and milk are both singular nouns. But as you have noticed, in the first example, you can see an article a before the word dog. However, in the second example, you cannot see a before the word milk. Why? This is because a dog is a singular countable noun. So if the noun is countable and it is singular, then we have to use articles a or an. So for example, a cat, a book, a house. But if the noun is uncountable, just like milk, then we do not use an article. So other examples, we can say there is water, there is salt, there is sugar. To sound more natural, we can contract the words there and is. So we say there's. So there's a dog in the garden. There's milk in the fridge. Take note that we normally use contraction in informal speaking. Okay, now let's have an example in the negative. There is not any milk in the fridge. So if in the positive, we contract the words there and is to make it theirs, in the negative, we normally contract the be verb and the not. So this becomes isn't. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Notice that we use the word any in the negative. There is another way we can use there is in the negative. Instead of saying is not or isn't, we can say there is no milk in the fridge. So we have here is no plus your noun. You can also contract the words there and is. So we can say there's no milk in the fridge. Okay, now let's look at there are. So we use there are when the noun is plural. So we have here there are plus plural noun. So again, plural means two or more. So now let's have examples in the positive, negative, and question. Okay, let's have first the examples in the positive. There are trees in the park. So we have here there are plus our noun, which is in plural, trees. So we actually don't know how many trees in the park, but it's pretty sure that there are two or more trees. So let's have a second example. There are birds in the garden. So you also see letter S here because again this is plural. And let's have examples in the negative. there are not any books on the table. So again, in the negative, we normally use the word any. So we can also contract the words are and not. So we can say, there aren't any books on the table. Or another way, there are no books on the table. Understood? Okay, now let's have the last part, which is the question. Are there buses to the airport? So what is our noun here? So our noun is the word buses. So we have here the verb are. So you could respond to this question this way. Yes, there are. If it's no, then you would say no, there aren't. Okay, second example. Are there tall trees in the park? So what's our noun? It's the word trees. This is our verb. So are there tall trees in the park? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. So I hope you like this topic. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by Hotel Campus Language Center. Thank you and see you next time.